Welcome to this rebounding lymphatic drainage and detox workout. We are going to go 15 minutes. All you need is your body and your rebounder. Today I'm using the phenomenal FitBounce Pro XL, available in the USA, Canada, Australia, and UK. I own most rebounders on market, and this rebounder is absolutely on par with Bellicon at half the price. All right, you guys, if this workout today is great if you are having a low energy day, if you are coming back from illness and you need to recover, or you are looking for a hand-assisted lymphatic detox routine. So grab your rebounder and let's go. Welcome to today's lymphatic detox lymphatic love workout. We're going to just begin our first minute pressing down into the mat right here. Shoulders set back, down and away from our ears. We have a slight bend in our knees, and we're just enjoying the wave that the mat is giving us of the press down and of the press up. I've been teaching rebounding classes for 27 years. I have a physical therapy background, massage, yoga, group fitness, personal training, and Pilates. So I have done so many continuing education courses on lymphatic drainage. It's crazy in my 30 years. So I just want to bring lymphatic detox through hand-assisted lymphatic drainage to you. All right, so this, again, we're just pressing down into the mat. This is a 15-minute workout. All right, you guys, we're just gonna start taking our fingers. We're just pressing down into the mat the whole time. Back of our head and just down to our collarbone. Back of our head and down to the collarbone. So it's light, feathery touches, kind of like petting a cat, or just like a light feather touch or feel. When you're doing hand-assisted lymphatic drainage, we are not pressing down hard and we are not pressing down firm. Everything is very light with lymphatic drainage. So I'm going to start from the head and I'm going to work our way down our body. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Just enjoying this light feather touch. Now we're going to take our two fingers and we're going to come bottom of the jawline, one in front of the ear finger, one behind, and we're going to press down into the collarbone. Some people like to do this, just like this, but we're coming behind the ear. I like the two fingers. Up, and then you press it down. Always coming up and down. Doing that standing health bounce. Pressing down into the mat, nice and equal between that right and that left leg. Again, we're activating the lymphatic system with that press down. Each exercise is 1 minute. We can do this. All right, I love this one. I make a circle with my fingers. I come up my cheeks, and then I come behind and down. So I come up, following my cheeks. I made a circle, and then I come behind my ears and down into the collarbone. So I make a circle, put it on my cheek, nice, light, up, behind my ears, and down. I've been doing lymphatic drainage on my face since my 20s. When I get really puffy, this just feels so good right here. So you're coming on the high cheekbone right here, and it hits your eyes nice and feathery though. Now if you want, you can just take your two fingers and you can come up like this and down, but I've just always liked the circles. I always like to create the circles, and I always like to go. Now we're going to tap our collarbone, pressing down into the mat, feet hip width apart. Breathing in through the nose. You can breathe out through the nose as well, or breathe in through the nose and out through your mouth. Deep breathing. Oh, my face, I can already tell, feels less puffy. Just nice light taps. Everything is light. Everything is light. We can tap. We can do feather touches. There's many different ways we can do hand-assisted lymphatic drainage. And today I'm doing the light feathery touches or the very light taps. Just pressing down. Breathing into the deepest part of the lungs. All right, so we're going to start here, and we're going to come right inside our armpit. Nice feather touches. Start at the ends of your fingers and all the way down. In and out. Some people like to do this more. Some people, you can have your hand in front of you, bend your elbow like this. You can come out to the side. Some like to come out to the side. You could do this just like this. Many different ways. So you're just basically coming into the armpit, right in through here. Nice, light, feathery. So just in past videos, there's other ways to do it. You can tap by cupping your hand, but today is a nice, light feather touches. And you're going to just switch to the other side. You can have your arm in front of you. I'm just going to show you this way. I like to do this. I like to go up, down. Each exercise, each hand-assisted lymphatic drainage is just 1 minute. Oh, you're going to feel just so great. We're boosting our lymphatic flow. We are reducing puffiness. We're releasing toxins, and at the end of this workout, you're going to just feel lighter and more glowy, is the way I say it. Very light. Okay, so from here, what we're going to do is we're going to do some circles in the inguinal area. So we're going to go clockwise. So you want clockwise. Nice, light, feathery. I cannot say that enough. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, pressing down into the mat. Activating that lymphatic system the entire workout. We have one more standing exercise, and then we're going to go ahead and go into seated health bounce. Now, just you can begin to tap on this light taps in this inguinal area. Okay, now we're going to go clockwise in the abdomen region. Clockwise. It may not look clockwise because I'm mirroring you, facing you, but you are going clockwise. Not counterclockwise, clockwise. You're just following that digestive tract, very light, very feathery. After this exercise, we're going to take it into a seated health bounce. So this entire workout, our feet are not coming off the mat. Breathing into the deepest part of the lungs. Remember, this is gentle bouncing, deep breathing, and hand-assisted lymphatic drainage. Nice and light, nice and light. All right, stop your bounce. You're going to take one foot all the way off, and you're going to come into a seated position, and we're just going to bounce A beautiful seated bounce right here. Now, we're just going to go where your fingertips can reach, and we're going to just press up into the inguinal area right in through here. So we're going to keep that bounce, light feathering taps, up, down, and just up. This is a leg sweep right here. Beautiful job. Very, very light. All right, so we're going to stop our bounce. We're going to take our feet a little bit wider. We're going to come all the way from the toes, the inside of our foot, and up. So we're going to hit the inner thigh. We're not bouncing here. That's going to be too much right here. So very light, very feathery, inside and up. Oh, feels so good, right? Boosting that lymphatic flow. We're reducing puffiness, releasing those toxins, and we're just going to feel lighter after this workout. Nice and light, nice and light. Right here, nice and light. All right, so from here, I just want you to do a little bit of a butt health bounce. We're going to just focus on this health bounce in a seated position. No hand-assisted lymphatic drainage. Just pressing down. You can have your hands like on your hips. You can have them right here resting. This is where I feel more comfortable. Just like this. Pressing down into the mat. Great job. Right and left butt cheek, nice and equal. So when you distribute that weight and that press down, nice and equal. Right here. All right, so what we're going to do from here is we're just going to do arms lift. You're going to just lightly feather down one arm, then the other arm, and just continue nice and light into the armpit region one more time. Lifting your arms over your head. That feels really good as well. If you can't do that, of course, I want you to just take your arms in front of you and just alternating the light feather touches inside of your arm right here. All right, we're going to finish with that beautiful health bounce. So you're going to come on up. You're going to safely get back on your rebounder. And we're going to just finish with that health bounce, pressing down into the mat. Shoulders set back, down and away from our ears. Slight bend in your knees, pressing down nice and equal into the mat. Your feet should not be rolling to the outside of the mat. And your feet should not be rolling in. Should be nice and neutral. Pressing down nice and equal between that right and that left side of your body. So imagine if you cut your body down the middle. You're nice and balanced. Pressing down nice and equally. Lymphatic detox, lymphatic love today. Hand-assisted lymphatic drainage. I know you're going to feel lighter. I know it. All right. Now we are going to do some breathing with it. We're going to inhale for 4 and exhale for 4, and we'll be done. Ready? Inhale. Breathe into the deepest part of the lungs, and exhale. Let's keep this deep breathing going. Again, inhale. And exhale. Let's finish strong. Beautiful, deep inhalation. And a beautiful exhalation. Last time, beautiful, deep, deep breath in. And exhale. Stop your bounce. Couple shoulder rolls back. And we are done. It has been such a pleasure being with you. Again, it has been such a pleasure being with you. I have a Rebounding for Health and Fitness community group. We are 74,000 members strong. Be sure to go in the description box right now, and join the group. Australia, I have a group just for you. Rebounding Ruse Australia Down Under Rebounding Group. Go in that description box below and join that rebounding community today. All right, you guys, it's been such a pleasure. Again, I am using the phenomenal FitBounce Pro XL, available in Canada, USA, UK, and Australia. It is absolutely on par with Bellicon, and I would recommend you get one if you're wanting a premium grade rebounder at half the cost. 10% off, code AngieFitness. Again, does not matter what rebounder you do have, it's just that we're all here together in the same moment doing this workout together. Comment below if you did like this workout, because if you did, I can most certainly create more for you. Until next time, my friend, goodbye.